Do you know that you can make up to $500 every single day from social media? Yes, you heard me right. The same social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube that I scroll day in, day out. You can actually make up to $500 doing the same thing on this platform as a total beginner. Now you're probably wondering, how is this possible? Well, this is highly possible provided I watch this video to the very end, because I am personally doing every single thing I'm about to share with you in this video on how you can actually make up to $500 every single month from Facebook. However, this is not something for a lazy man. For you to be able to achieve this, you need to put in the work in. So if you know you are not ready to put in the work in, then you can kindly use the back door. But if you know you are really ready and you really want to make up to $500 every single month from social media, and you are really dedicated to it, then I advise you watch this video to the very end and implement every single thing I'm going to share with you. And I personally, I do these things on social media, on YouTube, Facebook, or even on Instagram. I do all of these things. That's why I'm also coming to share them with you. Now, when it comes to making money off social media, the first thing you need to do is simply, you need to build an audience first. Like, making up to $500 on social media is not really difficult. The most difficult part is you actually building an audience. That's why I said for you to be able to make money from this system I'm about sharing with you, you need to build an audience first. Now, to build an audience is basically simple. When you go, you need to pick an industry and focus on the industry. Like, for example, if you want to promote, if you know that you want to make money off social media talking about maybe gaming stuff. If you want to make money from the gaming industry, you create your profile based on gaming. If you want to make money from probably the skincare industry, you create your product, you create your page based on that. And if you want to make money off any other industry, just basically pick an industry and focus on it. The big mistake a lot of you make is that what you plan to make money off social media, but then when you come over to social media, you post randomly, you create memes, post memes, and a lot of this. Now, posting memes is not bad. There are people also making money off memes, but then most of you do it wrongly. So before you start creating your profile, I would advise to pick something and focus on it. Like, for example, if you take a look at me right now on this particular profile, what am I doing here? I'm basically talking about content creation and make money online ideas, and I make money from this feed, not just from the videos that I upload here alone, but through other means that I'm going to share with you later on in the video. Now, my other YouTube channel, I'm talking about what? Forex trading. Now, I make money from the forex industry, not just by trading forex alone, but through other things I also offer. You are going to learn all in this video later on, because those are the ways in which you can actually use to make money. Now, but the most important thing is that before you can start making this money off social media, you need to build your audience. So for you to do this, I advise to pick an industry, focus on that industry, and then create content, do every single thing possible within that industry, build your audience. Now, when you start getting up to probably 500 followers and above, then you can start thinking of how you can make money, because you don't even have to think about how you can make money, because I'm going to give you the best ways I personally make money off social media through my audience and a lot of that. So now let's get over to that part where I share with you, after building the audience, how you can actually make money from those audience. Now, the first way in which you can actually make money off social media after building an audience is simply through affiliate marketing. Now, what's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically you promoting products and then earning a commission from it. Like, for example, right now, if I had a social media page whereby I talk about gadget related, now I can promote this phone that I'm currently using. So this is a Redmi phone. So now I can promote this phone on the page, and then when someone buys it, I'm likely to make up to 10% of the amount of money for this phone. Like, for example, now this phone costs roughly about $200 or more, depending on where you are buying it from. So it costs roughly around $200 and below. So now if it's $200, I promote it from a store that sells it for $200, and when someone purchases it, I'm entitled to up to 10%. That's $20 from it. Now this $20, if I should get 10 people to buy it in a month, that's about $200 already. And the truth is that if you build a loyal audience, if you have a good page that is really getting a lot of engagement, and you build it yourself patiently, generating a lot of sales is very easy, because you are not going to promote only one product in a month. So let me say this one generates me about 10 sales. That's how much? $200 made from them. Maybe I promoted another thing that even paid me more per month, and then that one too will give me more. So making $500 on social media through affiliate marketing is not really difficult. The most difficult part is the first part that I've given to you, which is building the audience. Like, for example, right now on this YouTube channel, you see that I don't promote much affiliate stuff here. This is basically because I used to promote, but then I just slowed down on the affiliate stuff I used to promote. But on my other channel, which is my trading channel, I promote the trading services that I use. Like, for example, I use the software like TradingView, I use SNES, which is my broker, I use Blueberry Founder, which is a prop firm, the prop firm that I got my trading account from. Now, I promote those services under each of my videos. Like, if you go check my other videos, right now on that channel, you see that I promote all those things, and I always tell people that they should use those services because those are the things I personally use. And whenever they sign up for Blueberry, I get paid up to 10% of whatever amount they are paying. And the funny part is that, well, I even made a 25% discount code for them, so they get 25% discounts when they are making the payment. And at the end of the day, I also get paid 10% of the amount that they are going to make, that they are going to pay as well. The company give me back 10% of it. Now, if I should sell, now there are some programs that ranges up to $500. So if someone should buy a plan of $500 from Blueberry, meaning that what I'm going to be paid about $50 for it. That is the 10%. Now on SNES is a recurring revenue. When someone signs up using my link, whenever they make a deposit or whenever they make a profit from trading, SNES from their own end give me part of the commission they take for the trade, because for every trade you place in the forex industry, your broker or your firm actually takes a commission. Now this also pays me a commission from that. So basically, after promoting this service, all I need is I want people to sign up for them, and whenever they make purchase or make a funding within those brands, I get paid a recurring revenue. Now this is one of the best things you can do for yourself to actually make money on social media, is simply promoting affiliate programs. Now when promoting affiliate programs, know that there are two. There are one-time fee and then there are recurring revenue. I would advise you to miss two of them. Now the recurring revenue will always make you money over and over again, but then the one-time fee only pays you that percentage once. Now for example, on Blueberry they pay me the percentage once, but then on SNES they pay me recurring revenue. Whenever the people I refer to do any sort of transaction on the platform, I get paid for it. Now number two could simply be selling your own products. Now instead of promoting affiliate programs to your audience, you can also create your own product and start selling to these people. Now when it comes to creating your own product, it totally boils down to the industry you find yourself. So for example, if you are in the health and nutrition industry, you can create a diet guide and then sell to your audience. Trust me, if you are in the health and fitness industry, if you create a diet guide, you are going to make a lot of money from it, because almost anybody who is following that page is 100% dedicated and willing to lose weight. If you find yourself in the beauty and skincare, all those industry, you create anything that has to do with beauty and skincare, the probability of you making sales is 100% high, because any single person who is following those particular industries are really interested. So now when it comes over to selling your own personal product, there are so many products that you can create and sell depending on the industry you find yourself. So if you find yourself in some industry, the best thing you can do is create ebooks and sell. Some you can create guides and sell, like I said, for the health and fitness industry. Now if you find yourself in the tech industry, you can also create maybe guidance to some particular gadgets or how they can use it, or you can create a digital course also and start selling to them. So basically, when it comes to making money off social media handles, the second tip I have for you is simply making profit by selling your own product. Now this product could be online courses. You can create online courses that has to do with your industry and you sell. You are going to make money from that. You can create ebooks. You can create booklet, like some simple handout guidance, and then you can also sell it to them. The digital copy, you can go sell it to a place like Gumroad and all of that. You can create a subscription group where people subscribe to a particular service from you. Like there are so many ways in which there are so many things you can actually create. Now you can even create product like t-shirts. If you find yourself in an influencer business where you know that people would like to represent your brand, like what so many artists are doing. If you look at Central C and a lot of those UK trap artists there, they promote a lot of clothing that they design themselves. Not just that, even so many YouTubers now sell clothing, mugs, and a lot of things that they themselves actually make. How are they doing this? One, they simply build an audience. Secondly, they created this product and start selling. Now you might be wondering, why am I not selling the product? This is simply because not everything that others do that I have to personally do. I also have my own that I'm doing that some other people are not doing as well. So but basically, I'm here to give you an idea on how you can actually make money, and that boils down to the point number 2 here, which simply means that selling your own product for profit instead of promoting affiliates if you don't want to go through the affiliate method. The third thing you can simply do is that what you can make money off display ads. Now what is display ads? Now when you are watching this YouTube video, if you are not using YouTube Premium or you are not using some fishy method to bypass ads, which is illegal, then you probably saw an ad in the video, right? Now basically this boils down to actually making money from display ads. So when we post videos on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram and some other social media platform, they basically pay. We will create a video just by displaying ads on this video, and these ads are companies that actually pay these platforms to promote these services. Now when it comes to making money through display ads on social media, the highest paying one, as I will always say, is YouTube. YouTube pays way more than TikTok, pays way more than Instagram, and pays way more than Facebook. Forget about forget about most of those influencers you see making money off Facebook. YouTube actually pays way more than any other social media platform out there. So if your plan is to make money from display ads, then I would advise you to actually take YouTube more serious, because basically I post videos on all these platforms, and the truth is that YouTube pays way more than all of them. That's why I said I dedicate more time to YouTube than any other platform out there. Now Facebook is even trying to misbehave by doing some fishy games, but I don't really care, because I have my YouTube here, which is my #1 source of display ad income. So display ads are also good. However, for you to meet up with display ads, each of the platform have their criteria. Like on YouTube here, for you to make money with display ads, you need up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And on Facebook, they also have their criteria. TikTok also have their criteria. So does Instagram. So you basically have to create your content gradually, and your page will actually grow over time. I've seen pages build within 30 days. I've seen pages even build within less days. The most important thing is that if you create the right content, it will be easier for you to reach more audience. Like this year alone, this channel got over 11 to 12,000 subscribers within this year alone, which basically means that if you do the right thing, put in the right effort that is actually required, you'll be able to get the result as fast and possible, and you can start making money from it as well. Now this is basically the third way to actually make money from social media, is simply through display ads. Now the final one is simply through brand sponsorship. Yes, some of the videos that you see that we create here is basically not from our own research or something. Like some videos you see that I recommend some products, some you see that I do it basically recommending a specific product. I only talk about that product or that service in the whole video. Now those sort of things are basically things I'm paid for to do. Yes, some of these companies reach out to us, and then this because we have a good audience. Like for you to be able to make money from brand sponsorship, you need to make sure that all your channels are always up and running. Like you are actively publishing on your profiles, and that you are getting a decent amount of engagement across all your videos, or at least some of your recent videos for the past 2-3 months should be doing well on the system. Now with those ones, brands will actually contact you for you to probably promote services that are related to your channel. And the only way you get this is when you have a channel that is dedicated to a particular industry. Like most of the services I promote here are things from people who want to promote content creation related stuff, or people who are in the make money online industry. Like on this channel, I mainly talk about make money online and content creation. And most of the services I promote on this channel has to do with these industries as well. Now, when they come for this brand sponsorship, they actually pay for it. Now, the amount you charge for this totally depends on how engaging your channel is, how many subscribers you currently have or followers you currently have, and then totally boils down to your total audience and how they are engaging, which country they are from, and a lot of that. So, and another thing could be the size of the company you are about to promote, because the amount of money I'm going to charge, let me say, amount of money I'm going to charge a certain company that provides a service at a lower cost and then not as popular as the rest. It's not the same as I'm going to charge a bigger company out there. So all basically boils down to the size of the company, the services they offer, and the rest is boiled down to you and how much you're going to charge. I can't give you how much you charge them, because on this channel I charge, for some videos I can charge up to $300 per single promotional videos. Some I can charge 150, some I can take 250. All totally depends on the service I'm about to promote and the workload that it will place on me and the industry size that I'm promoting. So now with this already said, these are simply the ways in which you can actually make money off social media. But the most important thing out of all of them is that you need to first of all build an engaging audience that will make sure that whatever thing you start to promote to them, whatever thing you want to sell to them, will actually make them money. Like basically, this will make you more of a content creator even without planning to become a content creator, but it will eventually push you into it. And as you can see right now, most of the small businesses in your area are also starting to do content creation, because they know that the whole world is on the internet right now, and the only way to make money from the whole world right now is through taking advantage of the internet itself. Now this is all I have for you in this video. For more great videos on make money online that are 100% pure and from a unique perspective, then you can actually smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you don't get to miss out on my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.